Are you struggling to lose weight and searching for the perfect solution? If you weigh 100 kilos and dream of reaching 75 kilos, the keto diet might be your ultimate game changer. In this video, I'll share a detailed 7-day meal plan, calorie breakdown, and all the tips you need to crush your weight loss goals. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body into a state called ketosis. In this state, your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. It's simple science and it works. Now let's dive into what you should eat and what to avoid. Foods to eat and avoid. Here's what you should include in your keto meals. Proteins: chicken, beef, fish like salmon and tuna, and eggs. Fats: butter, ghee, olive oil, coconut oil, and cheese. Veggies: leafy greens like spinach, kale, broccoli, and zucchini. Snacks: nuts such as almonds, walnuts, or a handful of seeds. And here's what to avoid. Sugary drinks, bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and processed snacks. Keep it simple, clean, and nutritious. Sample weekly plan with calories. Day 1. Breakfast: 2 scrambled eggs with butter, 200 calories. Lunch: grilled chicken breast, 200 green, with a spinach salad drizzled with olive oil, 450 calories. Dinner: grilled salmon, 1/5 toin with steamed broccoli, 400 calories. Day 2. Breakfast: keto coffee made with butter and coconut oil plus 1 boiled egg, 250 calories. Lunch: chicken lettuce wraps with shredded cheese, 350 calories. Dinner: beef steak, 200 green, paired with sautéed zucchini, 500 calories. Day 3. Breakfast: half an avocado with 2 fried eggs, 300 calories. Lunch: tuna salad with olive oil and cucumber, 400 calories. Dinner: baked chicken thighs, 200 green, with cauliflower mash, 450 calories. Include similar variations for the rest of the week like keto pizza, egg muffins, and hearty soups. Tips for success. This plan is effective, but here are a few essential tips to ensure success. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Maintain electrolytes. Ensure proper intake of sodium, magnesium, and potassium. Meal prep. Preparing meals in advance saves time and helps avoid temptations. Remember, the first few days might feel challenging, but once your body enters ketosis, your energy levels will skyrocket and you'll feel unstoppable.